Jeep has seen a significant decline in its sales, nearly 30% over the past 5 years, which has eroded its market presence considerably. This downward trend continued into the first half of 2024. The launch of luxury models and a staggering 50% price increase have confused and disappointed long-time Jeep enthusiasts. This shift has alienated loyal customers who once cherished Jeep for its affordability. In a troubling report, Stellantis disclosed a dramatic 48% drop in net income, largely attributed to falling sales. This financial strain directly reflects the disconnect between escalating prices and the brand's core identity. The price hikes instituted by Stellantis have raised customer expectations for quality and performance, leaving many feeling undervalued and questioning the value of Jeep's offerings. This disconnection poses serious risks to brand loyalty. An alarming investigation into engine fires affecting over 780,000 Jeep vehicles has surfaced, leading to significant safety concerns. The involvement of the NHTSA underscores the urgency of addressing these critical issues. Furthermore, Stellantis is recalling 1.46 million vehicles due to software glitches impacting electronic stability control systems. These problems exacerbate the company's current challenges and put consumer safety at risk. Additionally, Jeep models are under recall due to potential battery failures that pose fire hazards, further jeopardizing consumer safety and trust. Owners are currently advised against recharging their vehicles until repairs are completed. The indefinite layoffs at the Warren Truck Assembly Plant threaten over 1,000 jobs, coinciding with the discontinuation of the Ram 1500 Classic model. This situation raises pressing concerns about job security. In response, the United Auto Workers Union is vocally opposing the layoffs, accusing Stellantis of mismanagement and betrayal. This situation highlights the significant tensions and a breakdown of trust between the company and its workforce. The ramifications of layoffs extend beyond just financial aspects, affecting workers' identities and long-standing community ties. It's crucial for companies to consider these human elements in their decision-making processes. The automotive industry is grappling with challenges such as declining sales and fierce competition from electric vehicle manufacturers. Legacy automakers like Stellantis must innovate while ensuring the stability of their workforce. Stellantis has committed to electrifying its Jeep lineup by 2030, which includes introducing electric versions of its iconic models. This strategic pivot aims to attract a market increasingly focused on sustainability and adventure. To effectively connect with key demographics, especially younger buyers who prioritize sustainability and adventure, targeted advertising is essential. This approach seeks to captivate their attention and drive engagement. Moreover, in today's market, digital engagement is crucial, and Stellantis plans to bolster its online presence through interactive content that resonates with consumers. This initiative will help build community among Jeep enthusiasts. Finally, as the competitive landscape for electric vehicles intensifies, established brands and new startups are vying for market share. Jeep must innovate and clearly articulate its unique value proposition to maintain relevance.